Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Sheets and creating a new spreadsheet. Name it so you can find it later. First actionable step: type concise column headers in row 1 and freeze that row so headers stay visible. Next, set each column format, date, number, text, or currency, because formats control calculations and sorting. Once done, enter a few sample rows to confirm formats behave as expected, and make sure default alignment and wrap text settings match your layout. Now you populate the table with data. Paste values only when importing to avoid stray styles. Then apply a filter view so you can sort and filter without changing others' views. Use sort range for one-time ordering. Add helper columns for derived values, for example concat to combine names or if to flag exceptions, and use array formula to apply operations across many rows efficiently. Make sure conditional formatting highlights anomalies so you can visually inspect problems quickly. Finish by styling. Add borders, alternating row colors, and freeze columns if needed to improve readability. Share the sheet with view or edit permissions, and protect critical ranges to prevent accidental changes. Also save a named version in version history before major updates. If things go wrong, first check cell formats and merged cells, since those often break formulas. Then verify ranges used by functions like VLOOKUP or index. If you still see errors, undo, test on a copy, and narrow the failing formula step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.